Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use ShipStation with Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you use ShipStation with your Shopify store? Well, it's actually pretty simple here. So in this case, first thing you want to do is you want to access your Shopify store. So go ahead and go to shopify.com, log into your account, and access your store. Now in this case, at the bottom left of your screen, you should be able to see the settings option. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you want to go to Apps and Sales channel. Now in here, go ahead and click on the Shopify App Store button. And once you click on it, you should be able to see the Shopify App Store. So in this case, you just need to search for ShipStation. In this case, just type in ShipStation here, and you should be able to see the ShipStation app. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to install the actual app. So in this case, you could actually get a free trial from their platform here, and the original price here is actually starts at $9.99 per month. In this case, go and click on install to proceed with installation, and on the next page, we just need to confirm the installation. So in this case, go and click on the install button at the bottom right here. And once you've clicked or selected that, it should open up a new tab, which in this case, you now need to basically connect your account. Now, if you haven't created your account, go and click on the try it for free for 30 days. Now, in this case, you need to provide the following details. That includes your first name, last name, your email address, and the password that you want to use for your account, and the number of shipments per month. Now, you also need to agree to terms of service here and privacy policies. So in this case, you go ahead and enable that and just click on start your free trial. Now, alternatively, if you already have an account with ShipStation, you can go and click on log in and connect my account. And from here, you just need to provide your username as well as your password. Now, once you've logged in, you should be able to connect your accounts and start using it in your Shopify store. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.